you how to reset your Windows 11 or format your laptop of Windows 10 or Windows 11. So first of all, what you need to do is go on Start menu and click the right button. Here you have to choose Settings, and then on the search bar you can type in Recovery Options and click on it. So here you can see Reset this PC under Recovery Options. Now all you have to do is click on Reset PC, and you will be given two options, whether to keep your files or remove everything. If you select the first options, all of your extra apps and settings options would be removed, but your personal files would still be saved. But if you select the second options, all of your personal files, apps and settings will be removed. So if you have any important personal files, then you can click on Keep My Files. After that, you will be directed to this Windows. So here, if you already have a copy of Windows 10 or 11, then you can click on Local Reinstall. But if you are unsure of it, you can click on Cloud Download, which will take about 4 to 5 GB of your data. So you have to select your options, and you don't have to make any additional changes here, and just click the next button. Once again, you will have to click on the next button. Once you've completed all the steps, your computer will restart several times, and it will download the Windows 11 or Windows 10 and then format your computer. And that is it. I hope you enjoyed this video, and thank you for watching.